Welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how you can activate multiple burners on this device. So first of all, we have to turn on our device by using this power button. Let's click and hold it. Right now let's select, for example, the left upper and change the temperature, and then pick, for example, the right upper. And as you can see, we activate two burners at the same time, this one and this one. If you want to turn them off, you can make it by holding one of the icon and change the temperature to 0. And that's how it looks. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.